Hello guys! So we are back playing Pokemon Cloud White. And let's say where if something in the recording goes wrong. Okay, so now this battle is with Brock is gonna be very interesting. One of the best episodes we ever gonna have. Guys, this is I can't wait for this. Let me just check. All my Pokemon are at full health, right? I can't even speak. I'm like so excited is all I can say. So guys, are you guys ready for the battle against Brock? Let's go. So you're here. I am Pierre. Oh, he's not Brock. Pierre. Okay, Pierre. I'm still gonna call the people by their original name. The reacting to Sahi Khel Gaya Ladka story time is currently being posted. Okay. Water gun. I think this should bring him at low. That's very low health. I was like, he should be able to take one or two more hits after this. But, well, we are kind of very strong now. We are super strong. Will Tomioka grow up to level... Oh, almost. Okay, so Onyx is coming next. I think it should be level 18, I guess. Yeah, level 18. Oh, it's level 16. Well, that was pretty unexpected. If this is... Please don't tell me this is gonna be too easy. Well, this was just too easy. This battle against Pierre was way too easy for me. I thought it was like gonna be... I don't know how to express it. It was way too easy. Pierre is a weakling, is all I can say now. Pierre is weak. Very, very weak. Yes, now we can use Flash. The Sahi Khel Gaya Ladka story time is now posted. Nice. Okay. Rock Tomb. I actually might need that. And are you serious that none of my... Zenitsu is still level 7? What is wrong with you, Zenitsu? What? This guy is a madman. No kidding, a literal madman. Yeah, today we're gonna be going to the Cerulean City. Yes, guys, Cerulean City. It kind of feels weird saying Cerulean City like that. But alright now. We are gonna start heading to Cerulean City now. And when we are gonna reach there, we're gonna fight Misty next episode then. Alright. Yes. Thanks for giving me the running shoes. I actually needed that. We shall take out Tanjiro for these battles and keep that guy in, this little guy, Tomioka. And I'm not sure if I shall call Tomioka little. Many people are gonna be offended by me calling Tomioka little, but he's still like little to me right now. I'm its Pokemon trainer. Why does it feel very weird saying this? Alright, now this Caterpie weakling. This weakling is done for. Zenitsu, please grow. What is Zenitsu's problem? I don't get it. What is his problem? He's like needing 1 million levels to grow a level. Like, Tanjiro has grown to level 12 and Zenitsu is still not level 8. Now he is. Okay, now which Pokemon is hunting again? Oh, well, that guy is definitely done for. We're just gonna beat all the bug type here with our Tanjiro. With Tanjiro, I mean, not with our Tanjiro. Okay, Tanjiro is pretty strong, you know. He's very, very, very strong. Okay, bug catcher whom? I forgot his name. This guy's name. He kind of had a weird name. I don't remember it. And no, I'm not scared of a Kakuna. You can take out a beat drill too. I ain't scared of anything, brother. If you're thinking, oh no, this guy is scared of Kakuna. He's dead. No, I'm not that guy. So, Silcoon? What? Pokemon trainers have Silcoon in this game? Huh? Yeah, and there is gonna be a new Pokemon game too, and guys are gonna decide it. That's gonna be the only gameplay before Pokemon Sword and Shield. Ah, yes, Pokemon Shield. We're gonna be playing Pokemon Shield. That's a big spoiler. Not actually really, but exaggeration. How many levels does Zenitsu need? Yeah, and this stream isn't gonna be that big. Like Brock was way too easy, I guess. Yeah, Brock was way too easy. I didn't expect that from him. Expected like 25 Steelix coming out. Uh, that's what I expected from him, to be honest. Yeah, but in this game, he was definitely very weak. Very, 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 very. He's like, which gym leader shall I say? The first gym leader in Kalos. Alexa Guy's sister, yeah, she was also very weak. I'm just kidding, she was one of the stronger gym leaders. And XY is obviously one of the best series. And all that. Man, this Pokemon, I mean, this Pokemon actually scared me. I'm not gonna lie. It was actually a scary experience. And thank you for fighting me. Okay, now let's let's first heal our Pokemon. Almost went this way. Let's first heal our Pokemon, then come back to fight these guys. Okay. Pokemon Center. And how many of you guys are excited for the Pokemon Sword and Shield gameplay? Please do tell in the comments. Like normally no one does, which makes me feel a bit weird, honestly. I asked like 1,000 questions and zero responses. And how about Zenitsu's level 9? I guess that's alright. Nice. And let's give this to Shinobu. XP share. Keep that. Or when I think a Pokemon will be like level 15, all level 15, till we will be getting to that gym, obviously. Okay, last Janice sent out her Hootooth. Let's just kill its Hootooth. Sorry, but this guy needs to die right now. Hootooth was burned. Nice. And Misty shouldn't be a big problem for us, I guess. Yeah. She's not gonna be a big problem at all. Not at all. And normally I only level up one Pokemon like crazy. No kidding, crazy. Yeah, like in one of my series, all my Pokemon are level 40 and my starter Pokemon is like level 100. That's what I normally do, but I'm not gonna do that in this series. I'm gonna consider every Pokemon equal because we have the power of the XP share. Oh, only level 5. Tanjiro will get a bit bigger at, I think, level 16, right? So we'll try to end all of our Pokemon at level 16, but it's gonna be very difficult. Ben sent out Rattata. Nice, Ben. Not bad. And so we'll just kill the Rattata now. I'll just kill the Rattata for you. And Shinobu is level 6. Please tell me she evolves right now. Ekans is also dead. That guy doesn't stand a chance against us. And all that. Bite! Oh man, that was a strong attack. I was like, Bite was gonna do nothing for wrecking. But that was like a lot. That's all I can say. Do we have another potion? Why am I doing Pokemon all the time? Potion. Yes, we do have one potion. Nice. By 20 points. And I've heard some people said that this guy, I mean, this guy has a Venusaur, if I'm right. Rattata and a Venusaur, that's what I heard. But I don't think they would put people this OP in the game already. And no spoilers, guys. I want to have this game like a big series. Alright, Shinobu. Nidoran? No, some people told me that this guy had Venusaur. And we would get a lot of levels from killing a Venusaur, to be honest. And when I say a lot of, I'm not kidding. A lot of levels. No kidding, a lot of levels. I mean it. I mean it very much. I very, very, very much mean it. Venusaur would give us like 100 levels. Shinobu is evolving. I don't know what happened to my expression over there. Come on. Metapod! Don't know why I called it Metapod, but Shinobu has now became bigger. Bigger and stronger. Alright. And I think we beat this guy up. And let's just see which Pokemon are in this bushes. Mankey. Level 7. Ooh. Let's just use our second potion 2. Potion use. Tanjiro. Okay. Mankey isn't that good. Any other Pokemon? Spearow, that's actually very good, but it wouldn't. Oh, it might represent Sanemi. Yes, Sanemi or Genya. Because I think Sanemi and Genya. Yeah, I forgot. My bad. Yeah, that will most probably represent Sanemi if it's come in a team. Okay. Any other Pokemon? Pidgey? These are kind of normal, to be honest. And I don't mean like you will always find them in the bushes. I don't mean that at all. I mean, there, like on Route 1, there was special Pokemon, and every route there are some. But not on this route, I guess. Alright. Well, on this route. What? Teddy Ursa is the special Pokemon, so here. Now I get which is the special Pokemon. Teddy Ursa. The Teddy Ursa only special Pokemon. I guess Teddy Ursa is the only special Pokemon. Let's just roam for a bit to see if there are any more special Pokemon. I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be like flying type. It wouldn't have flying type in its nature, obviously. It wouldn't have flying type moves or anything. Normally, cause I don't think it would be flying or fire in here. I don't think there would be any special Pokemon either. Just okay, yeah, there are Jigglypuff, another special Pokemon. Nice. I think these are the only two special Pokemon. Yeah, I do think these are the only two special Pokemon. Okay. I forgot its name. Teddiursa and Jigglypuff. So that's actually not that bad. Okay, let's just like spam these for a minute. Yes, and yeah, there are no more special Pokemon over here. Okay, so let's just battle. Who is it? Teddy Ursa, we don't need you. To be honest, we don't actually need you. You're useless. That's what I think of you. Eek, did you touch me? You touched me, you bastard. And Jigglypuff. Oh, the Jigglypuff is the level of our Charmander, and that is definitely not a good thing. Okay. Let me just check if it has been uploaded, the new one. सही खेल गया बच्चा वन. Yeah, it's been uploaded, so you guys can go and see that too. Oh no, Tanjiro is fast asleep. No, this is actually not good. I don't think we will be able to reach the Cerulean City if we go on like this. I don't think our Pokemon have fainted that oftenly in this game currently. Yeah, I don't think they have. Yay! Should be like level 9 now, almost level 9. I just hope she's almost level 9. And yes, let's go over here. Hey, you wanna battle me? Oh, he's not a trainer. Okay, let me just go in here. Let me just see if it's working. The cycle color. Now, yeah, it's working. I thought it wasn't. So you guys can go watch that video too. And I think we should be alright with a team in the caves. I think we will need to go in the video in the middle of the you know what I mean. What shall I say? Mount Moon. That's the cave's name. Mount Moon. In the middle of Mount Moon. Can Bulbasaur learn Grid Seed? That's my question. If it can, I am very happy. Very, very, very. Yay! Let's go! Kano, let's go. Kano has learned Bullet Seed now. Kano is getting stronger, guys. Kano will be a threat to many people. Yeah, I don't think Kano will be a that big threat to people, but okay. At least she will be a threat. That's at least good. Okay, what's here? Paralyze here. And let's just fight this trainer and take Tanjiro out. Tanjiro is the captain of this team. Actually, we will need to level up Zenitsu a lot too. Yes, Zenitsu. We need to level up Zenitsu a lot because you guys know the reason, because the next gym is water type. So I want Zenitsu to beat water type actually. It's not like I'm not gonna be using Kanao or Shinobu, but I still want Zenitsu to beat the whole gym. So that's why I want Zenitsu leveled up. Okay. You got me, bitch. Let's see what kind of Pokemon this guy has. And we're obviously not gonna catch Shuckle. I don't like its Shuckle. Okay. Okay, now Lazarus Clefairy. Yeah, that's kind of pretty weak, you know. No, that's not weak. Oh man, not good. Oh no. It's not good. This is not good. Guys, this is not good at all. Alright. Come on, Tanjiro. You want to protect Nezuko, right? So wake up. Alright, he's now awake. Woke up. So now he's like a beast now. He's like a freaking beast. So he can beat all of these Pokemon. Who's your second Pokemon, brother? Hinobu grow to level 9. And I think she will become a Butterfree on level 9. No, level 10, I guess. Yeah, by my mission, level 9. Obviously, she is not gonna become a. I mean, that guy on. I mean, level 9. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. My bad. Very, very bad. Alright, G. Let's find some weak Pokemon cause Kana can't handle very, very, very strong Pokemon right now. Oh, Kana. Alright, we can't find any good trainer that is compatible to fight Kana. What Pokemon do you have, brother? He kind of seems like a yeah. This is not good. I will still need to take out Tanjiro to beat the Magnemite, I guess. Man, that almost one-shotted us. Actually, that almost one-shotted us. We were almost dead right now, but thank God that we are alive. Thank the God. Yait! Kanao, come out. You need to protect Tanjiro now. It's like Tanjiro asking Kanao to give him 20 rupees. I don't know what's wrong with my thinking, but it kind of is like that to me. Alright, G. Bullet Seed. This attack is actually insane. 4 times. It hits 4 freaking times. I mean 2 to 5, but yeah, you know. But mostly it's 4 times. Kana is now level 12. Shinobu is now level 10. Now I don't think. Yeah! Shinobu is evolving. Now it's gonna be. Shinobu is gonna be strong. Very, very, very strong. Congratulations, Shinobu, and evolved into a Butterfree. Let's go. Confusion? That's like an insane attack. That's like really insane. Extremely insane, actually. No kidding. Alright. So, how long have it's been? Oh. So, I guess we shall end it today at 26. Yeah, I'm gonna go for 26 currently. 26 minutes, alright. It's alright with me. What's the time? 5:18. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now I can go to play downstairs too. Alright. Now, let's go. Hope to see you again. I don't really hope to see you again. I'm just gonna stay honest and everything now. Alright, so let's go in the cave and I guess let's log out over here. Yikes.